Hi, welcome to Fertivity. Today we are talking about how early can I test with a home pregnancy test. Obtaining accurate results from a home pregnancy test depends on several factors, including the sensitivity of the test and when implantation occurred. Some women may report seeing positive results as early as 8 days after ovulation, but this is not typical. Testing too early can result in a false negative, dropping your hopes for no reason when the possibility still exists that you are pregnant. Most doctors recommend waiting until the first day of a missed period before testing at home in order to ensure the most accurate response and to make sure that you follow instructions carefully. If you have any comments or questions, please post them below. And if you know someone who might benefit from this, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe today to get access to more helpful info about infertility and trying to conceive. Thanks for watching. I'm Monica Healy.